Good morning, students. Here I am Ashish Srivastava with a new topic in mathematics, that is area. This class is for class 6. Reason enclosed by a closed figure. Reason enclosed by a closed figure is known as its area. In this figure you can see here it is a quadrilateral and it is closed figure. So the region it occupies, that is the shaded region, it is known as the area of this quadrilateral. Here a pentagon, so the region that it occupies its area. Here a irregular figure, it's also closed and the region that it's occupied called its area. Students, suppose that there is a figure and it is open from one side. So does it contains the area? No, it doesn't contains the area because it is open from that side. So it have only the length, that is from here, here, here only. So the area is always we measure for a closed figure. Keep it in your mind. Units. The unit of areas. Areas mostly are measured in square form. Means we always calculate the area of any closed figure in square form. Square form stands for we first divide the closed figure into small squares of unit length and then count the number of squares, how many squares are there. So that is stand for the area of that closed figure. So here the unit, of area is suppose that if you are taking squares of centimeters, then the area unit of area will stand as the centimeter square. Means you are taking square of centimeters. And if you are using the squares of 1 meter length of site, then the unit of area becomes meter square. This centimeter or meter are representing like that. Centimeter to the power 2. So this power 2 is known as the square. And also it is meter square. You can also write it square centimeter or square meter. Right? Both the manners are okay to writing the area of unit of area. So guys, we talk about the units of area. Now come to the point how to find the area. For that purpose you should take a graph paper. Pause this video and bring a graph paper. Okay guys, so here I am having a graph paper on my board. Right? Suppose that you want to calculate the area of any figure, so just draw the outline of that figure on this graph paper. So suppose that I am going to calculate the area of this irregular figure. Right? So what I will do? First I will count the number of squares that are complete inside the figure. They are not intersected by the outline. Okay, and they are complete. So let's see. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are 9 complete squares enclosed by this figure. Now I will take the squares, those are more than half area they have. The outline intersect them, but they contain the more than half, right? So here the more than half, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is 5. So I have put the right sign on the area, those are more than half. Now I will take the area exactly half, those are exactly half. So exactly half I am getting over here, one, this one, and no other. So in such way I have three kind of the squares in this figure, and the square those are having less than half, we will neglect them. So the area of this will be, so complete squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 10 squares are complete, more than half. So more than half, you will take them also as a complete, right? So more than half are with right sign, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. So 5 into 1, that is 5. Now about half. So about half are only 1. So here 1 half is 1. 1 is half. So it is half. So total area will be, add them, 10, 5, 15, right? 1 upon 2 unit, since on the graph paper the squares of centimeter, that's why the unit of this will be centimeter square. I'm using square now, that's why centimeter square. So now take one more example. Here I have taken a irregular, but now I'm going to take a regular figure. So for the regular figure I am drawing over here an rectangle. Okay, so what is the area of this rectangle? So just count the number of squares enclosed it. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the area of this rectangle is 20 centimeter of square. Square of centimeter. 20 square of centimeter. Right. One more example. Suppose that if I draw a parallelogram, then how? So very simple. Just count the complete square. Then after take the more than half. So more than half is this and this. Leave, and these are the, it is less than half, it is less than half, so leave them. So the area of this parallelogram will be 4 complete plus more than half, also taking as a 1. So here 1, 2, so it is 6 centimeter square. So in such way you can find the area of closed figure with the help of graph paper. So do some practice at home, draw some figures on graph paper and count the squares, right? And send your work to me on WhatsApp group. Till, have a nice time and have a nice day. Tomorrow we will meet with some same topic, but there we will use some formulas. Okay, bye students.